My husband's looking at me right now. I feel weird sometimes when I'm talking to the camera like this. You know, we be one with each other. He's looking through the camera. If y'all could really see what's happening right now. Quiet on the set. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're reviewing this AUDRINA Natural Me Blowout HD wig from Janet Collection. I got some things to tell y'all about this wig. I'm going to show you guys how I put it on, and then I'm just going to give you guys kind of my final thoughts at the end, so stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. On this wig again, this is the Natural Me Blowout AUDRINA wig from Janet Collection. It says it's a HD lace, natural yaki texture, and a natural blowout texture. I have the color number 2. It comes in a lot of different other colors. It comes in a 1B30, a chocolate mix, some golden browns, caramels, all that good stuff. Y'all know Janet Collection hook us up with the colors. So there's 2 combs in the front, there's a lace part in the middle, there's a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Very beginner friendly wig. So how do I feel about this wig? I don't know where to start. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? Let me give y'all some cons, and we're gonna end with a good note. There's not really a lot of cons with this wig. I actually picked this wig up because she reminded me a lot like Jode. And believe it or not, as I was putting this wig on is when I saw it. It's like it hit me. And because I'm wearing this color shirt, when I reviewed Jode, I wore the same kind of color shirt. It wasn't the same shirt, but it was the same color. So I was getting those vibes all over again. It comes with a middle part, but that's why I switched it to the right side because I was like, we need a different look. So I switched it. I did go in with some lace tint spray only because the lace, as much as it's not like a lace frontal, sometimes matching up the lace part, and if you do want to get a frontal effect, it makes it easier with like the cast and all of that. But I don't even know why I really wasted my time, to be honest with you. I should have just went in with powder. The part on this wig, I just went in with some powder. Initially I was trying to pull some hairs out of this part because it was really clustered, but it was fine. It wasn't as open as I would like it, but I think if you add some powder and just pluck a few hairs, it should be fine. This wig does have some filler hairs in the top. Initially I kind of was struggling with knowing what to do with the filler hairs. It's not bad. I feel like it kind of gives it the look that it needs with the filler hairs. I just went in with a hot comb and kind of smoothed it out a little bit. I wasn't going to attempt and mess with this frontal. As you see, it's sliding back. That's one of the cons with this wig. This wig is tight. This wig is small. It's a little smaller than I would have liked. I was gonna review Willow and Roxy, but I'm gonna sell those wigs. I'm definitely going to sell those wigs. I mean, as much as the texture is beautiful, I don't like tight wigs, y'all. I don't like headache wigs. I can't be in the middle of a conversation and like, hold on, I got a headache. Y'all know what I just been through. I just been through. I cannot have a headache wig. I just went through having a headache for 3 months straight. So I cannot have a headache again. I refuse to have a headache again. But either way, it's still cute. I do feel like because of the way the wig is set up, if you pull it from the back, it works and it's going to be stretchy. You can pull it down. But the fact that it's kind of still sliding back, I don't really like that. It's kind of tight up here. It's weird. I did go in just to kind of try to melt this part down to my skin with this lace tint spray. This is my go-to lace tint spray right now. It's Coupon and I absolutely love it. I do feel like it is kind of HD-ish. As much as it's white and it's a cast, I feel like if I did melt this lace, it will melt into my skin. But the problem is, where's the frontal? Where's the hairline? So why am I melting? I ain't doing all that. I am not doing all of that. This is one of those wigs you put on your head and you get out the house and you go. I'm gonna melt this lace part right here and that's it. It's a synthetic wig. I am not plugging this hairline. I'm not doing all of that. So yeah, HD sometimes to me it's like, why are you even attempting to put that on a wig? That's just my thoughts. Now let's talk about this texture. I absolutely love this texture, y'all. So based on this stock card, I did think that she was going to be a little bit more yucky, kind of more of the texture of Jode. I must say that I am happy that she's not the texture of Jode. Jode was dry. She was dry, y'all, okay? But this is definitely, it's giving me natural blowout texture, but it's not that Kanekalon dry stuff going on. So it's definitely a much better texture. Look. We flowing, y'all, okay? We flowing. I'm not sure how my videos are going to play out, but I do know that I did edit a Janet Collection headband wig video for you guys, and this reminds me of the headband wig Gigi, and it also reminds me of the texture of those Janet Collection headband wigs. So it's a really nice texture. I must say that I'm really happy to know that as much as this reminds me of Jode, it does not feel like Jode. Jode was dry, y'all. She was dry. She was dry. She was a beautiful wig, but she was dry. So I kind of feel like this might be an upgrade. They might have gave us an upgrade to Jode. You know, they hit us with the texture real quick and said, boom, you know, y'all ain't like the dry texture, so let's bring it back to style with a better texture. And I like this texture. It's really nice, and it's not shedding too much. Jode was a shedder. She was dry. She was cute. But she had a lot going on. This wig is very summery. It's very nice. It's very flowy. It's a great everyday wig. But for me personally, I feel a little, I don't know. I feel like I'm starting to look my age. You know, I just had a birthday and I'm starting to look over 30, you know, over 30 something, you know, because I just turned over 30 something. And I feel like this is making me look that way. But she's cute. She's very cute. She's very pretty. She's very beginner friendly. And I do think she's cute. Hit that subscribe button because I drop a lot of wig content on this channel. My husband's looking at me right now. I feel weird sometimes when I'm talking to the camera like this. You know, we be one with each other. He's looking through the camera. If y'all could really see what's happening right now. Anyway. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.